Imagine Shawn Stevenson in a dimly lit room, barely able to walk, told he'd never live an active life again. His bones were weakening, his body giving up, but something kept him awake, literally and figuratively, the power of sleep. What if the very thing most of us sacrifice, our sleep, is the secret weapon for reclaiming health and smashing goals? Stay with me because your nights are about to change forever. Shawn's story kicks off with a harsh truth. We massively underestimate sleep's value. What if one nightly habit could actually prevent disease and unlock energy like a switch flipped in your brain? At 17, Shawn Stevenson was diagnosed with a degenerative bone disease, told his active life was over. Instead of giving up, he dove into sleep science, transforming his health and body against all odds. His journey proves sleep isn't just rest, it's restoration at the cellular level. Think of sleep as the CEO of your body's company. Without it, departments like fat burning, immunity, and memory go rogue. Stevenson explains that sleep coordinates nearly every system, like a master conductor ensuring perfect harmony, turning chaos into peak performance. After adjusting his sleep, Shawn lost stubborn fat, boosted focus, and supercharged his energy. The surprising kicker? You don't need 10 hours. Smart sleep changes can deliver outsized results, making your health leap forward with surprisingly simple tweaks. Once Shawn nailed down why sleep matters, the next battlefield was his bedroom. What if the tiniest environmental tweaks could stop midnight wake-ups and help you fall asleep in minutes, not hours? Stevenson highlights screen time before bed as a stealth killer of sleep quality. He shares a story from his podcast where a tech executive ended headaches and insomnia just by ditching screens an hour before bed, turning off the blue light floodgates that hijack your brain's melatonin. One chilly night in Florida, Shawn realized the thermostat was keeping him wide awake, too warm to sleep well. He equates body temperature to a dimmer switch for sleep. Cooler temps help your body hit deep sleep mode faster, like flipping the lights off on a restless mind. Ever wonder why caves and blackouts went together before electricity? Stevenson pushes blackout curtains as a game changer. Removing even a sliver of light stops premature waking and signals your brain it's time to fully unplug. This is your sleep fortress in action. All the environment hacks mean nothing if your internal clock's out of sync. Shawn reveals how syncing exercise, caffeine, and bedtime can transform restless nights into refreshing ones. Stevenson shares a sneaky caffeine anecdote. A client habitually grabbed coffee at 4 p.m., wrecking sleep. Cutting caffeine intake by noon fixed her falling asleep struggles, proving caffeine's half-life sneaks into your night, even when you think you're safe. In one revealing twist, Shawn coached athletes to exercise earlier in the day, not too close to bedtime, and saw massive gains in sleep quality. It's like priming a pump early so your body winds down naturally, instead of revving high when lights go out. Timing is everything. Stevenson advises a bedtime aligned with your circadian rhythm, usually between 9:30 and 11 p.m., when melatonin peaks and body temperature dips. Going to bed too late trashes sleep quality and leaves you drained despite enough hours in bed. Remember Shawn's dark hospital room? What turned despair into breakthrough was unlocking sleep's power, the very habit most of us toss aside. Tonight, try ditching screens an hour before bed. Feel the difference yourself because the secret to health, energy, even happiness is waiting in your next deep sleep. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.